What's going on, YouTube Gardener? This your boy Sydney and the side kids and the side grandbaby here. Now, due to the coronavirus, a lot of things like soap, toilet paper, paper towels, everybody been grabbing it out of the store, so you can't find it too much into stores right now. So we're going to show you an alternate to a hand sanitizer. In this video, we're going to show you how to make an organic hand sanitizer using aloe vera. And we're going to start right now. Alright, so to make this organic homemade hand sanitizer, all you need is alcohol. You don't want to use ethanol alcohol. You want to use, I don't know how to pronounce this word, so you're going to use it. Yeah, that word, because of it has a higher melting point. I think it's like 290 degrees where it will stay on your hands once you rub it in. And the reason for that you want to use that is because you want this mixture to stay on your hands for at least 20 seconds to make it effective. Then we're going to use food grade glycerin, and the reason for this is to add an extra moisturizer once you added aloe vera on here. So the aloe vera is a good moisturizer, and this is a good moisturizer, so it just adds additional moisture to your skin, because you don't want your skin to be dry to allow any pathogens or disease or virus to enter in your body from there. And then this is optional if you want to do this. We're using essential oils. We may use lemon. Then we got lavender, which is a nice disinfectant with lemon, and peppermint. You can also use rosemary, but unfortunately we ran out of that. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to cut open this aloe vera. Now, we don't need all of this aloe vera, so a good thing about this aloe vera, if you have a garden, you can use this as a fertilizer into your garden. From there you can make like a tea, basically. Hey. So I'm just going to do a little bit of right here. And then let me move this out the way so y'all can see.
It's slimy inside.
You cut the ribs off. Now that we got that out, now y'all want to do the, Sarah, you want to do the, add the aloe vera in there? I mean the alcohol?
One cup.
No, you're going to add it twice in there.
Hold that cup.
Get the baby.
You give it.
No. You're going to do that, the glycerin, the big tablespoon. Oh, woo, that's strong. One more in there.
91%.
Now, you could go anywhere from 70 to 90 to 100% of the alcohol. Now, if you do 70, you will want to add double the amount of alcohol in there, because by CDC regulations, I'll put the description down below that CDC recommends any hand sanitizer to be at least 60%. And if you notice on the back of all of these, most of the hand sanitizers will be at least 60%, and with this being 90%, it's going to basically making sure that we disinfect and sanitize everything. All right, y'all got it all mixed up in there? All right. So what now? Where is it? We're going to do one part of this. So that way we can see, if everybody can see that. Now, if you can actually eat this. Now, you can.
Drink it in a juice.
Yeah, you can drink it in juices.
It's healthy for you.
It's all healthy. Now, the only thing with aloe vera, some people are allergic, so make sure you check with your doctors and see if this is good for you. If you can't find a big thing of this aloe vera, what you can do, you could use the gel, the aloe vera gel, but with the aloe vera gel, you want to make sure it's anywhere from 90% to up to 100% for the content on there. So now we're going to just basically crunch this up. Now you could also put this in a food processor. We might wind up doing this since this is very chunky. It smells like hand sanitizer, don't it? Mm-hmm. Now we're going to add some essential oils. We're going to do about, We're going to do about, we're going to do peppermint. We're going to do about 2 drops of peppermint.
Ooh.
And then we're going to do 2 drops of lavender. Maybe 3. And then continue mixing. Oh, that smells a lot better now. We're going to get the food processor because this is not, it's very chunky.
Probably this week.
Ouch, my toe. You let us know when it's ready with your strong self.
Yeah, you stronger, right?
No way.
You sure you took a shower?
Yes.
Today?
There's that.
There we go.
Like I said.
Very sharp blades.
All right.
It's a ninja. Cool.
So now we're going to add that into here. Oh.
She trying to grab the blender.
Grab me the other thing right there.
No,
There's
it's
a pink one
over.
behind you too, Jimmy.
This we do right here. That was enough.
Is enough?
Bam. So now for how to use this, like I said, you just put it in your hand, rub it in, make sure you put it in for at least 20 seconds.
So try it out, Junior. I want your review.
Well, be careful with it.
It's very liquidy.
Yep.
How does it smell? And
It's actually, I think it's better than the regular hand sanitizer because it's almost like very, yeah.
what do you think about it, Junior?
Let me see.
That's easier to put on.
Does it
You
smell
try it, see.
better or about the same?
Kind of the same.
Yeah. What do you think, Sierra?
You want to try some?
Very moist.
Just give me a little drop.
Very moist.
It's a lot more moist.
Mm-hmm. That glycerin helps, it makes it thicker and helps stay on your hand a lot longer. Now, this is only an alternate. You still want to use, this is if you don't have any soap at hand, this is the next best solution. You don't want to use this only to clean your hands. All right?
Soap and water is the best.
Yeah, soap and water, wash your hands, 20 seconds, put a little bit of soap on your
Is there a
hand.
case of going here so I can just...
You can do stuff like that, or if you have those empty hand sanitizer solution bottles, you
Because
can
I
use
need
that.
to hold this on me at work.
Yep. But hope y'all like these type of videos. We'll put a playlist of other simple type of videos up on the playlist above there. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an upload. Until the next video, let's grow together.